भारत की टॉप कंपनियों का विश्लेषण रिलायंस, एचडीएफसी बैंक, इन्फोसिस और एल&टी। Namaste दोस्तों and welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving deep into the Indian stock market, exploring four companies that are not only titans in India but are making waves globally. We'll cover their revenue streams, fundamental highlights, growth drivers, and risks involved. So, buckle up, grab your notebooks, and get ready to learn about some of the most exciting investment opportunities India has to offer. Reliance Industries Limited, RIL, Bharat ka powerhouse. First up, we have Reliance Industries Limited, or RIL as it's commonly known. This company is a cornerstone of the Indian economy and a global player in multiple sectors. This company is an absolute behemoth, a true conglomerate with its fingers in everything, from oil and gas to telecom and retail. It's hard to find a sector where Reliance doesn't have a significant presence. Now, when you think of Reliance, the first thing that probably pops into your head is oil, and for good reason. Their oil operations are massive and have been a cornerstone of their business for decades. Their oil-to-chemicals segment, or O2C, is a cash cow, a major contributor to their revenue. This segment alone generates billions of dollars annually. And with the global economy bouncing back, the demand for petrochemicals is through the roof. This is great news for Reliance, as it positions them to capitalize on this growing demand. But here's the thing, Reliance isn't just resting on its laurels. Enter Jio Platforms. This telecom arm of Reliance has revolutionized the Indian telecom industry. This telecom arm of Reliance has taken India by storm, amassing a staggering 446 million subscribers. It's not just about numbers. Jio has changed the way Indians use the internet. They're rolling out 5G and diving headfirst into the world of digital services. And then there's retail. Reliance Retail is like the Amazon of India, aggressively expanding both online and with brick-and-mortar stores. Reliance Retail is like the Amazon of India, aggressively expanding both online and with brick-and-mortar stores. But wait, there's more. They are also making significant strides in the e-commerce space. Reliance is also betting big on the future, investing heavily in renewable energy. This is a strategic move to diversify their portfolio and ensure long-term sustainability. We're talking solar power, hydrogen energy, battery storage solutions. These investments are not just about being green, they are about being future-ready. Now, I know what you're thinking. Graham, this all sounds too good to be true. What's the catch? Well, no company is perfect, and Reliance does have a hefty debt load. What's the catch? Well, no company is perfect, and Reliance does have a hefty debt load. However, their financial health is robust, and they have a clear strategy to manage this debt. But their operating cash flow is strong, and their strategic investments are promising. They are not just surviving, they are thriving and planning for the future. Overall, Reliance Industries is a powerhouse with a proven track record and a bright future. They are a testament to what can be achieved with vision, strategy, and execution. HDFC Bank, Bharat ka banking king. Next up, let's talk about a sector that's the backbone of any economy: banking. Banks are the lifeblood of financial systems, facilitating transactions, providing credit, and ensuring economic stability. And in India, no bank reigns supreme quite like HDFC Bank. Established in 1994, it has grown to become a household name. This is a bank that's synonymous with trust, stability, and consistent growth. Over the years, it has built a reputation for being customer-centric and reliable. So how does HDFC Bank make its money? Well, like any bank, it all starts with lending. They provide loans to individuals, businesses, and even large corporations. Net interest income, or NIW, is their bread and butter. This is the difference between the interest they earn on loans and the interest they pay on deposits. They've got a knack for lending money, especially to retail customers and small and medium-sized enterprises. This focus has allowed them to diversify their risk and maintain a healthy loan portfolio. But HDFC Bank isn't just about giving out loans. They offer a comprehensive suite of financial products and services. They're a one-stop shop for all your financial needs, offering a wide range of services like credit cards, wealth management, and trade finance. This diversification helps them generate multiple streams of income. These services generate a healthy stream of fee income. Now let's talk numbers. HDFC Bank's financial performance is nothing short of impressive. HDFC Bank boasts a market capitalization of over 11 lakh crore rupees. This makes it one of the most valuable banks in the world. Their loan book has been growing at a steady clip of around 15 to 20% annually for the past decade. This consistent growth is a testament to their robust business model, but here's what really sets HDFC Bank apart: their asset quality. They have a stringent credit appraisal process. They're incredibly picky about who they lend to, and it shows in their gross NPA ratio, which is consistently below 1.5%. This low NPA ratio indicates a high level of asset quality. And when it comes to profitability, HDFC Bank is in a league of its own. Their efficient operations and prudent risk management contribute to their high profitability. Their return ratios, like ROE and ROA, are consistently high. These ratios reflect the bank's ability to generate profits from its equity and assets. But HDFC Bank isn't just about making money. They're also financially rock solid. Their strong balance sheet and prudent financial practices ensure long-term stability. Their capital adequacy ratio is well above regulatory requirements. This means they have a solid buffer to absorb potential losses. So, what's driving HDFC Bank's continued success? It's a combination of strategic expansion and technological innovation. They're constantly expanding their reach, particularly in rural areas. This helps them tap into new customer segments and drive growth. They're also leveraging technology, investing heavily in digital banking to make their services more accessible and convenient. This focus on digital transformation ensures they stay ahead in a rapidly evolving financial landscape. Chapter 3. Title: Infosys Limited, Bharat Ka Tech Titan. Now let's shift gears and talk tech, specifically Infosys Limited, a global giant in the world of information technology. This company is at the forefront of the digital revolution, helping businesses around the world navigate the ever-evolving technological landscape. When it comes to revenue, Infosys has two main avenues: digital services and legacy IT services. But here's the thing: digital services is where it's at, accounting for over 60% of their total revenue. We're talking cutting-edge stuff like artificial intelligence, cloud computing, and data analytics. Now, Infosys isn't just serving the Indian market. They've gone global. Their biggest market? North America, which brings in a whopping 60% of their revenue. Let's talk numbers. Infosys has a market capitalization of around 6 lakh crore rupees. Their price-to-earnings ratio, or PE ratio, typically hovers between 20 to 25. But here's where Infosys really shines: profitability. Their operating margins are consistently high, ranging from 20 to 25%. And get this, they have zero long-term debt. Infosys is incredibly shareholder-friendly, constantly returning cash to their investors through dividends and share buybacks. So, what's driving Infosys's continued success? The demand for digital transformation is only increasing. Infosys is also laser-focused on developing innovative solutions in areas like AI and automation. Chapter 4. Title: Larsen & Toubro L&T, Bharat Ka Infrastructure Icon. Last but not least, let's talk about a company that's literally building the future of India, Larsen & Toubro, or L&T as it's commonly known. This company has been a cornerstone in the development of modern India, contributing to various sectors and leaving an indelible mark on the nation's landscape. This engineering and construction giant is behind some of India's most iconic infrastructure projects. From towering skyscrapers to sprawling industrial complexes, L&T's footprint is visible across the country. Now, L&T is a diversified company, but their bread and butter is infrastructure. They have a hand in almost every major infrastructure project in India, making them a pivotal player in the nation's growth story. We're talking roads, railways, metros, you name it, they build it. Their expertise in these areas is unparalleled, and they continue to set new benchmarks in construction quality and efficiency. This segment is their largest revenue generator, and with India investing heavily in infrastructure development, L&T is well positioned to capitalize on this growth. The government's focus on building smart cities and improving connectivity further boosts L&T's prospects. But L&T isn't just about building roads and bridges. They're also major players in the power sector. Their projects ensure that millions of homes and businesses have access to reliable electricity. Their power and heavy engineering segment handles projects in nuclear, thermal, and renewable energy. This diversification helps them mitigate risks and tap into various growth opportunities. And here's a surprise. L&T is also making waves in the tech world. Their foray into technology services has opened new revenue streams and positioned them as a forward-thinking conglomerate. Through subsidiaries like L&T Infotech and Mindtree, they're providing IT and technology services. Now let's talk numbers. These ventures have not only diversified their portfolio, but also added significant value to their overall business. L&T has a market capitalization of around 4.5 lakh crore rupees. This makes them one of the most valuable companies in India. And their order book? It's a staggering 4 lakh crore rupees. This massive backlog of projects ensures steady revenue flow for the coming years. Over the past 5 years, L&T has achieved a revenue growth rate of around 12 to 15% annually. This consistent growth is a testament to their robust business model and strategic vision. And despite their massive scale, they've managed to maintain a reasonable debt-to-equity ratio. This financial prudence ensures they remain resilient in the face of economic challenges. For income-seeking investors, L&T's dividend yield, which hovers around 1.5 to 2%, is quite attractive. This makes them a preferred choice for those looking for steady returns. So, what's driving L&T's continued success? It's a combination of strategic diversification, robust project execution, and a keen eye on future trends. India's focus on infrastructure development is a major tailwind. The government's initiatives and policies are creating a conducive environment for L&T to thrive. They're also expanding into new areas like renewable energy and water management. These sectors not only promise growth but also align with global sustainability goals, ensuring L&T remains relevant in the future. Outro. Title निवेश के लिए तैयार हैं? So, there you have it. 4 of India's top stocks, each with its own unique strengths and growth drivers. Remember, investing in the stock market always carries risks, and it's crucial to conduct thorough research and consider your investment goals. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to the channel for more insightful content, and share this video with anyone who's looking to learn more about the exciting world of Indian stocks. Until next time, happy investing.